welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. Today's video is very special. It is about Baby Shark. Now, Baby Shark has been very much a celebrity status at my household with my kids, and I hope you enjoy drawing Baby Shark with me today. To start off, we're gonna do Baby Shark's face, which is a roundish circle with kind of like a flat bottom. We're going to do his top fin on the top there. There you go. We're also going to do a little bit of his arms coming up. We'll start maybe with the shark's body and belly here. Baby Shark's belly. We're also going to add in Baby Shark's fin. So we're going to draw a curved line here down this way, and we're going to do the same on the other side in a sec. We're going to follow that line. It's like a parallel line that goes side by side, and then another fin over here, and then we'll do another parallel line on the side here. Now of course, Baby Shark needs fins at the end, his tail, so we're going to draw in his tail. It's almost like a part of a moon, little curve there. And now we have Baby Shark. Of course, Baby Shark's missing a face, so we need to start a face. So we're going to draw a line across the middle there, a curved line to divide up his face and between his eye and his mouth. And then we're going to draw a half circle here, and we're going to draw in some teeth. How much teeth or how many teeth should Baby Shark have? I'm going to draw him 5. And then I'll do a curve on the bottom for his mouth or his tongue. And now color in the middle of black. Of course, you can decide if Baby Shark is eating, in which case you can put in a sandwich or maybe a fish in his mouth, or you can add in more teeth at Baby Shark if you really want to. And next, I'm going to draw in Baby Shark's eye. So there's one circle and another circle. You can decide if you want Baby Shark to wink at this point, and he's winking at you. But I'm going to do another smaller circle inside. That would be Baby Shark's pupil, which is the colored part of his eye on the inside. And I'll do a little circle, even smaller circle inside, and I'm going to leave that space white so it looks like Baby Shark's eyes are glistening and the light is shining off of it. Ta-da! He looks really happy to me so far. Of course, I better add in his little nostrils so he can breathe underwater. Of course, he has fins to breathe, well, I'm going to start drawing some bubbles for him as well to show that he's underwater. Gills. That's what I meant. Sharks have gills, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Anyways, I'm going to make my Baby Shark yellow. So I'm going to start coloring yellow for his fins and his tail and part of his head. What color do you want your Baby Shark to be? Or are you drawing Mommy Shark? Or Daddy Shark? Grandpa Shark? Or Grandma Shark? You could do a very similar drawing with just adding accessories to your shark, maybe a mustache, maybe a frilly hat, or some pearl earrings, and maybe even things that they can hold on to. Maybe Baby Shark is holding on to a tennis ball, or maybe a soccer ball. Anything you think he would enjoy playing with. So I'm coloring Baby Shark yellow. Of course, you can do a lot of different sharks. You can do this drawing again and again in many different colors. And you could have the whole family together. Wouldn't that be so fun? Of course, For this baby shark, feel free to add in a background, as I mentioned before, that will really help tell the story about your drawing and make it unique to you. Is baby shark on his way to daycare? Maybe daycare somewhere that baby shark has outgrown, and baby shark is now heading to school, like elementary school. I'm gonna color in his mouth red. As I was saying, so baby shark might be going to elementary school, or maybe he's going to the zoo, or maybe he's going to a petting zoo. I don't know, but you tell your story and let me know what you think baby shark should be doing. At the same time here, I'm going to add in a little detail in the background to show that it's underwater. I'm probably going to add in some seaweed on the bottom, and I'll color in the bubbles blue as well. At this point, use your creativity and have fun with this drawing. Now I'm going to grab a green color and start coloring in and drawing in the seaweed, which is going to be these squiggly wavy lines here. And I'm going to color them later because they're underwater, so that's why the seaweed's kind of waving back and forth, back and forth. You can color them different colors. The seaweed comes in many different colors, like red, they come in yellow, they come in green. It can be all sorts of colors. You can even add in coral as you want. I'm gonna add in some sand on the bottom afterwards to show that it's kind of like the bottom of the sea that baby shark is located under. And I'll start from one angle and down. Well, I'm almost wrapped up with baby shark here. I'm just gonna add in a little friend, a small fish on the side, and he's done. I hope you enjoyed coloring and drawing baby shark with me. I'm gonna do a close-up. You can see how he looks like. Pretty awesome, right? Well, if you enjoy this drawing and you have other ideas for other baby shark drawing you want me to do, please comment below and I'll love to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe and stay creative. Bye for now.